Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, Sincerely Jacqueline DIY. Today I have a few Easter DIYs for you. We'll be coming out with faith-based DIYs because for me and my family, Easter is very important to us. And let's start. DIY number one is an Easter sign. So I recently made something very similar for Valentine's Day and I absolutely love the look. So I decided to make it for Easter. So you are going to need the sign from the Dollar Tree and you're going to need these eggs from the Dollar Tree as well. Now for this part of the DIY, I just used some floral foam and put it into my bucket. And because I reused this from a previous DIY, the floral foam already fit perfectly into the basket. And then like the previous DIY, I'm just going to put some of the river rocks on there and cover the area with moss. DIY number 2, we're going to make this carrot reef, and you're going to need 4 packages of the Dollar Tree carrots. I wasn't sure how big the reef was going to be, so I decided to glue the carrots first to see how large it would be. Now, after all the carrots were glued together, I realized that the reef was very, very flimsy, so I decided to add some support. So I used some cardboard and added it to the back of the reef. So from our last craft, I end up reusing the bunny that was on there, and I'm just going to glue it to my reef. I am just going to add some string to the back of the reef. Now, I didn't really like what the back looked like. I just wanted to clean it up a little bit. So I just used this vinyl from the Dollar Tree. I had a template already for the round cardboard that I used, but if you're going to do this, I would suggest doing that before you glue it onto the reef. DIY number 3, I went into Winners and I found this decorative item, and it really reminded me of something that I saw in Dollar Tree, and I thought that I could make it for much less. It was $19.99 plus tax, and I knew that I could make it for much cheaper. So I found these Easter trees at the Dollar Tree, and they're $1. They were $1.25 each. And then I had this wooden object that I got from my local dollar store, and it was $2. DIY number 4, you're going to need this glass container from the Dollar Tree, and you're going to need this clay Dollar Tree bunny, and this one's really easy. You're just going to glue them together. For this last DIY, we're just making a simple floral arrangement using faux flowers, and you can do this pretty easily with whatever flowers that you would like to use. And this is just something that I put together for the centerpiece of my dining table. And there you have it, some really fun Easter DIYs that you can make at home. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Please hit the alarm button, comment below which one's your favorite, and please subscribe to my channel. All your support, your comments, likes really mean a lot to me. And tune in for some faith-based DIYs. Bye!